Alright, we're doing an oil change and transmission change on a 2005 smart car, and this is a diesel. So this is the first diesel oil change I've ever done, and it's a cute little 799cc engine, and we're using our Mercedes-Benz spec 5W40 European oil, 100% synthetic. And then you'll see the Mercedes spec is on the back here, specification. And well, it's time to get going. Let's do it. Do the oil filter. This is like a cartridge type oil filter. All you do is just loosen her up here. And that's it. There we go. Good to go. She should leak pretty good. There it is.
Cool with me, but yeah, like I said, you got me in that carnival.
We're done pumping out all the oil. It's like a black paint almost, this diesel oil. Now it's time to go ahead and crack open the rear differential. We're going to drain it. Here we go. Let's do it. Let's crack her open. Let's see. All right, I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, and 3. There it is. Good to go. And now we just finger loosen it a little bit. Just like so. That should let go on the count of 3. 1, 2, and there it goes. That's it. Good to go. Pumping in our 75W90 severe gear manual transaxle gear lube. This is good for differentials and manual transmissions, and that's what this is. It takes the place of both a manual transmission and a differential. Alright, just pumping it in by hand. That's it. Just keep going until it overflows.
You see that clap? Yeah. You figure out how to put it in?
Putting in our diesel all-in-one, and what this does is it does 4 different things. Cleans the fuel injectors, lubricates the fuel system, anti-gel, so in all different cold temperatures sometimes you can get a waxy gel. This stops that, and also it increases cetane, which gives you better startability, and it's almost like octane, but cetane is for diesel. So shake her up. Here she goes. Let's do it. Penetrate it, and that's it. That's it. All good to go. We're finalizing everything on this cute little cartridge. We're going to go ahead and lube it up a little bit with some fresh oil. We're going to go ahead and rub these threads down good. And now slip this O-ring on. Nice fresh O-ring. A little bit of a stickler. There it is. Always make sure it's nice and seated, nice and wet. That's it. Put our fresh teeny weeny Wix filter in. Look how cute that little guy is. And it should just pressure fit in right in. That's it. We're going to wet her up a little. Pour a little oil in there. That's it. It's going to thread this little guy in. Just go straight in like so. Just thread her in. Just like that. Alright, time to put that liquid gold in. We're putting in our 100% synthetic European car formula for Mercedes-Benz. Let's do it. Nice, good, steady pour. All right, there's one down. All right, we're all wrapping everything up. Everything is good to go. Wrapped up on this 2005 Smart for 2 smart car, and it happens to be an 800cc diesel engine. It's a little bit different, you could say. Thing to do, and that's to AMSOIL this thing. All right, it's AMSOILed. We'll see you guys.